Paul, you are one of the coaches of our youth teams, and perhaps you can explain a little bit about your work with these teams.
Well, I'm here now for the first year in Walfer, and I have about 25 girls who are fee scholars and cadets. They're working really hard. We practice 3 times a week, and they're very motivated. And it seems that it's a really good ambiance with these girls. They like to come to practice, and they like to be together, and we do a lot of team building activities. And yeah, they work really hard, and they've made a lot of progress.
Why is it so important for a club to have these youth teams, to invest in them?
Well, when you keep them together and they enjoy being together, they grow together and support each other. And certainly it's important that several of my cadet players are now playing with the women's team. So it's kind of like a feeder system into the women's program for the future, which is really important for any club.
Now, if somebody watches this video today, do you still need newcomers in your teams, or have we a kind of waiting list?
We have actually received 3, 4, 5 newcomers in the last several weeks. Some from the International School of Luxembourg, and some friends of a friend has come. And yeah, I mean, it's growing, and it's nice to have more numbers. We have good numbers right now for practice. We always have between 12 and 13 girls for each practice at the moment. So yeah, it's been growing, but it's good to kind of level off now and stay like this, I think.
What are your aims in this season?
Well, the fee scholars, they did quite well early and won the 2nd division, and we moved up to the 1st division. And it's a struggle there because the 1st division is really difficult. We have a very young team, but we did, however, manage to beat a team already in this division. So, you know, it's just mostly just trying to get better every week and every month, and work for the future so that when they're cadets in the next years, they'll be stronger. With the cadets team, we won pretty well in Division 2. We went up to Division 1 where we got destroyed and we had to come back down. So now we're in Division 2 where it looks like it's possible that we might be able to win the rest of our games.
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.